Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to transpose data in Excel, and by this I mean rotating vertical data to horizontal and vice versa. So I'm going to show you two ways on how you can go about this, and each of them has its own advantages and disadvantages. So make sure you stick around and watch till the end and get to choose the one that suits you best. On to the first way, using the paste special. So select the data, then press Ctrl plus C to copy, then click the destination cell, then right click, then click paste special, then go to transpose and click on it, then click OK. So you can see our data has been transposed, and whatever was appearing vertically, e.g. the days, they are now showing horizontally in the transposed data. The advantage of this way is that if you had formatted your original data in any way, for example, the cell color and the borders, they will still show in the transposed data. The disadvantage is if you try to make any changes in the original data, they will not be updated in the transposed data. For example, let's edit this cell to Sunday. You can see the changes have not been updated here. We still have a Friday. So that's the first way. Let's undo this by pressing Ctrl Z and get to the second way. The second way is using the transpose formula. So what you need to do is to select the original data, and as you select, please take note of the number of rows and columns, because you shall need this while selecting the destination area, but you don't need to cram this. Just have a look at the name box and you shall see the number of rows and columns. So for example, right now we have 7 rows and 4 columns. So we shall need the vice versa of this while selecting the destination area. So we shall need 7 columns and 4 rows while transposing. So once you're done determining the number of rows and columns, select the destination area. So right now we shall select 7 columns. Okay, 7 columns and 4 rows. Please have a check the name box and it shall guide you as you select the rows. 7 columns and 4 rows, which is the opposite of the original data. So once you're done selecting, press F2 to change to edit mode or to enter into edit mode, and then type equal sign, then type transpose, and once the formula pops up, double click on it, then select the original data, then close the brackets. Then once you're done, press Ctrl Shift and enter at the same time. There you go. So you can see our data has been transposed, and the advantage of this method is that if you make any changes in the original data, they shall be updated in the transposed data. For example, let's put Sunday here. You can see the change has been effected here. The disadvantage of this is that if you had formatted your data in any way, like the cell color and the borders, they shall not be affected in the transposed data. And also, if you try to insert new rows and columns, they will break the formula array. For example, let's insert a new row here. You can see because we have inserted a new row, we have a column here that has zeros, but the total is not available in the transposed data because we inserted a new row. So that's a disadvantage of this method. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.